Here we have the Levanta Cam Aligner. We use this on our trailers and that just to make sure the suspension is in alignment. The training that we've had with this gear, it's given us a lot of confidence in doing the work and not worrying about outsourcing and having the confidence to have that truck on the road, safe as houses, keeping everyone safe. After completing works with the Josam Cam Aligner by Levanta, we've had truck drivers come back saying that their trailers are tracking straight, which in turn is easier on them, less driver fatigue, gives us better tyre wear, better longevity on the vehicle, less strain on the suspension components, and it just verifies the work that we've done to make sure it's safe for the other road users as well as our drivers. And it makes it better for us with no complaints and keeping the drivers happy and everyone safe on the road.